for most people, they will feel some kind of a shift, even if it's a subtle shift. They might feel slightly lighter, slightly clearer headed, might feel slightly more in their body. Their breathing pattern might change. The thoughts might relax a bit. And each round takes about 2-3 minutes. And you repeat this. Typically, you do 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds, 10 rounds. And it'll lead to a very solid, tangible shift in one's being.
Coming back to emotions, because these days people experience a lot of emotions, anger, fear, sadness, disgust, various emotions that are coming into you as grief, as you lose people, friends around you, etc. I thought let's make this session very practical, and we have the emotional freedom tapping technique, one of your favorites, and it's a great technique where one can free ourselves up of the various emotions within us. Is there any simple technique? It could be tapping or it could be something else where in an instant, maybe in 5 or 10 minutes, one can free ourselves up of various emotions around us. At Heartfulness, we have the spot cleaning or the rejuvenation, where one sits in a relaxed position and one using willpower, one feels all the impurities and complexities being ejected out from the back in the form of smoke. Very effective if one does it correctly, and one sits in the right with the right frame of mind, the right attitude. You can feel a shift in terms of the purity and the simplicity that comes within your being, as all the impurities, you feel yourself become more lighter, more silent within yourself if you sit in this relaxed position. And that brings us on, to various other techniques that people can follow and try to get a more joyful state of being.
I just remembering a message I got this morning. Someone was saying that their life has been really busy and so much is going on. And you had given me some affirmations and I was trying to find that piece of paper. But then I said, you know what? I'm not going to find the piece of paper. And she said, all affirmations activate now. All affirmations activate now. And she said, it was a beautiful day. So I like how she made her own way of doing that. So the point I want to make is that while there are so many techniques, and you mentioned one, and I might share one, we should remember that more important than any technique is the intent. Intention is so powerful. And whether smoke is coming out of your back or coming out of your head or coming out of your whole body, and whether you're tapping this point or that point, ultimately, for me, all these techniques are a way of focusing attention and intention on being present and releasing or coming to terms with letting go of resistance around any topic. That's the main thing. Once you understand that, then you stop comparing techniques. You stop thinking this is better, that is better. It's just about affinity. So I have learned quite easily more than 100, maybe a few hundred different tools around stress release and trauma release and things. And I just happened to have an affinity. I just found EFT, emotional freedom techniques, when I was a monk. And I was actually quite blown away because I'd studied psychology before that. And I was amazed how something like tapping, why would something like tapping release emotion? That just made no sense to me. I was very intrigued and began reading up on it and began experimenting. And I was just amazed at the results I got. And since then, I've just done that particular technique or tool more than any other. And just it's just my easy way of supporting myself and others in creating a wholesome shift like you talked about. So let's learn the basics of it. In this method, you tap the side of your hand. So you can either do it like this, doesn't matter which hand. And the way I like to do it actually is like this. It's like this is actually called the karate chop point. So one against the other. And as we're tapping this, we'll say some simple thing. Why are we tapping? Because we're bringing the body into the equation. And so just living in our heads, the body into the equation, and we're making it tangible, we're making it real. And the process of tapping seems to dislodge. First of all, every time you tap, for that micro moment, your brain has come, or something's happening in the present moment. You've gotten out of the world of imagination, you come into the present. So tapping does that, and also tapping at an acupressure point that'll guide you through it. And it's going to help shift, release, and just dissolve any resistance we are facing. So let me do a general tapping session for something that perhaps most people are experiencing. So why don't you tap with me? Okay, even though I'm feeling all kinds of resistance, I love and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling all kinds of resistance, I love and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling different kinds of resistance to different things happening in my life, and some of them are really pulling me down, I'm getting challenged in ways I haven't been challenged before. And I'm not quite sure what the answer is. And I'm open to a shift. I'm open to a healing. I'm open to deeply feeling this feeling. I deserve a shift. I deserve this healing. I'm worthy of all that is good. I deserve all that is good. We take 2 fingers and we gently tap the beginning of the eyebrows, just gently tap the beginning of the eyebrows. And say all this resistance, side of the eyes, all this heaviness, below the eyes, all the stagnant and stuck energy, all the stuck and stagnant energy, below the nose and the chin point at the same time. It's flowing now. It's going now. Collarbone, it's moving now. Freshness is coming in now. 4 finger breaths below your armpits on both sides. You can do it like this, or if you prefer like this, whatever feels good. Shifting to freshness, shifting to flow, shifting to ease. Then an optional point is below the breasts or the chest. Returning to alignment, middle of the heart, middle of the chest. Back to my center, back to my clarity, back to my strength, back to my flow, back to my ease. Top of the head. This healing is integrating now. This healing is integrating now. Resistance is dissolving now. Clarity is emerging now. I'm back to my most essential self. Put your hands down, and so it is. Take a deep breath. Release. Second to the deeper breath. Release. Third is the deepest possible breath you can manage. And release. Be quiet for a bit. Slowly open your eyes.